Hello everyone! With Halloween just around the corner, it's the perfect time to create some spooky animated graphics in Canva. Whether you're planning a Halloween party or just want to spice up your social media with some animated fun, today I'll walk you through how to create Halloween-themed animated graphics. Let's get started! First, we need to set the mood by choosing a Halloween-themed background. If you're using a template, the background might already be included, but if not, head over to the Photos tab under Elements and search for something dark and spooky, like a foggy graveyard, a haunted house, or a full moon. Let's go with a full moon scene to keep things eerie. Now, let's bring in some Halloween elements. Head over to the Elements tab and search for Halloween. You'll find tons of options like pumpkins, witches, ghosts, and bats. I'll add a big spooky tree, some flying bats, and a glowing jack-o'-lantern to our canvas. At the end, let's also add a larger bat flying in as a focal point to complete the scene. Here comes the fun part, animating the elements. Click on each graphic you've added, and in the top menu, you'll see the Animate button. Let's start by animating the bats. I'm going to give them a drift animation so they fly across the screen. For the big bat, I'll use the breathe animation to give it a slow, eerie vibe. For the glowing jack-o'-lantern, I'll use the pulse animation to make it look like it's flickering. Make sure to position the animated elements so they complement the background. For example, having the bats fly near the treetops. To make everything look cohesive, you can adjust the timing of the animations. Right-click on each graphic and select Show Timings. This allows you to control the duration and when each element appears. Let's stagger the animations so that the bats start flying first. Then the pumpkin begins to flicker a bit later, and the big bat appears a little after that. Now, let's add some text that would fit perfectly for a Halloween-themed promotion. Imagine you're promoting a Halloween party or selling Halloween items. I'll add something like Spooktacular Halloween Sale or Join Us for a Night of Frights using a scary font. But don't worry about being too specific. Just go for a creepy vibe. I'll edit the text, choosing the colors and effects that match with the overall atmosphere. For the animation, let's go with the flicker effect to make the text appear distorted and haunted. Once your design is fully animated, don't forget to preview it by hitting the play button at the top. If everything looks good, it's time to export. Click on the Share button. Then download your design as an MP4 video so you can post it on your social media or use it as a Halloween party invite. And that's it. You've just created an animated Halloween-themed post that's perfect for promoting parties or spooky sales. I'd love to see what you come up with, so feel free to share your creations in the comments below. If you have any questions or suggestions for more Canva tutorials, let me know as well. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.